Schwa es la vocal más común en inglés. Encontramos el sonido schwa en casi todas las palabras de más de una sílaba. Ejemplos: doctor, the, about, center. En inglés, cualquier vocal puede transformarse en schwa. Además, schwa aparece también en monosílabos en forma débil: a, the, of, that. Y también en sílabas átonas: butter, about, standard. A continuación podrán ver y escuchar más ejemplos. Banana, tomorrow, difficult, summer, survive, theater, measure, pronunciation. El sonido schwa y las vocales en inglés. The sound of schwa replaces any vowel if this is unstressed. El sonido schwa reemplaza cualquier vocal si esta es átona.
We pronounce it schwa in the word again. Again. You can see here the schwa. We pronounce it schwa in the word enemy. Enemy. Here you have the schwa, right? We pronounce it schwa, or pronounce it in the word animal. Animal. This is a schwa. And the vowel O, we pronounce it schwa in the word condition. We have two schwa here, as you can see. Condition. And the vowel U, we pronounce it schwa in the word support. This is a schwa. Support.
5 different ways to pronounce vowel A. 5 diferentes maneras de pronunciar la vocal A.
First example is and. And. It's a short A. E. E. The next one is a long vowel. Long A. Start. Start. Ah. Ah. Next one is a diphthong. It's the diphthong A. We pronounce April. April. A. A. In the next example, we can see that the vowel A is pronounced as a long O. O. Already. Already. Or. Or. And in the last example, we pronounce the vowel A. Again. Again.
4 different ways to pronounce vowel E. 4 diferentes maneras de pronunciar la vocal E.
We can pronounce the vowel E as a short E in the word red. Red. This is E. The vowel E is pronounced E, E. You can notice it's a long vowel, yeah, long E, in the word Eve, Eve, or in the word evil, evil. Another example where it's a little bit strange, because in English we don't usually have accents, but if you have an E with an accent, at the end is pronounced A. A. It's a long A actually. So this word would be pronounced resume. Resume. And of course we pronounce E, schwa, we pronounce it in the word 11, 11.
5 different ways to pronounce vowel I. 5 diferentes maneras de pronunciar la vocal I.
In the first example we have the word idle, idle. This is pronounced I. In the next example we have the word sister, sister. The I is pronounced E, E. We also have another example here. It's kiwi, kiwi. Have you noticed that the I is pronounced E, E? Yeah, kiwi. And of course, like any other vowel in English, sometimes it's pronounced as schwa. Here we pronounce schwa over here. It's cousin, cousin.
4 different ways to pronounce vowel O. 4 diferentes maneras de pronunciar la vocal O.
We have the first example, hot, hot. Here this is pronounced O, O. In the next example we have the word hello, hello. This is pronounced U, U. Another example, here the word to. It's a long U. To. Oo. Oo. And of course, we have the schwa sound in the word opposite. Opposite.
6 different ways to pronounce vowel U. 6 diferentes maneras de pronunciar la vocal U.
So the first example is pronounced sun. Sun. The U is A. A. In the next example, we pronounce the vowel U Tuesday. Tuesday. U. U. Another example is building. Building. In building, we pronounce here the U, E. E. Another way to pronounce the vowel U is E. E. Berry. Berry. And we have here an interesting example where the U is pronounced church, church. And of course we have the schwa vowel, which replaces the U and is pronounced focus, focus. I'm not sure if you noticed, but these two sounds are quite similar. This is a long vowel and this is a short vowel. The schwa is pronounced And this one is pronounced okay? I hope you found this video useful, and while you're doing your listening lessons, please pay attention because the vowels can be pronounced many different ways. Thank you, bye bye!